Gaming fans, welcome back. Today we're checking out the RetroSnap Play, a handheld console that claims to bring back the golden age of retro gaming. With nostalgia rising in popularity, does this portable device actually deliver? Or is it just another budget handheld with shiny ads? The RetroSnap Play is marketed as a pocket system, preloaded with thousands of games. It promises a huge library that spans across arcade hits, platformers, and puzzle classics. Design-wise, it looks like older handhelds, with familiar buttons, a D-pad, and shoulder triggers to give players that classic feel. Specs, however, don't stand out. The screen and processor are modest, battery life is average, and user reports mention inconsistent build quality. Some find the controls decent, while others complain about laggy buttons or a cheap plastic finish that doesn't match the marketing photos. The biggest question is the game selection. Official retro collections need licenses, but devices claiming thousands of titles
this handheld game
usually
console
rely
has
on
over
unlicensed ROMs.
Yeah.
That means many included games might
Yeah,
not
this
be
thing-
legal, raising both copyright issues and ethical concerns. Performance also depends
is
on how
freaking
well the
sick.
system handles emulation. Cheaper handhelds often struggle with audio glitches, frame rate drops, or delayed controls. These issues can ruin the experience compared to original consoles or properly optimized emulators. If you want safe alternatives, you're better off looking at licensed retro collections from Capcom, Konami, or SNK. Nintendo Switch Online also offers a growing library of NES, SNES, and N64 games. Hobbyists might prefer Raspberry Pi setups with legally obtained ROMs, and of course, playing on original hardware remains the most authentic option. Price-wise, the RetroSnap Play doesn't seem worth it. Similar generic devices can be found cheaper, often from the same factories. Customer support is usually minimal, so if it breaks, you're likely on your own. Retro gaming is about keeping classics alive while respecting creators. Supporting legitimate releases ensures better quality, fair credit, and lasting value. The RetroSnap Play, however, feels like another rebranded device with inflated promises rather than a true solution for retro fans. What do you think? Does a device like this sound worth
This
trying,
thing
or would you rather
is
stick
sick.
with
Check it
official
out.
platforms? Share your
This
thoughts
handheld game
and
console
favorite
has
retro
over
games below.